lesson.
We are excited to share our learning with you and hope you enjoy it.
This week was last week at school.
We have been learning lots of ways we can show numbers.
I can show 24 as a number.
I can show 24 as a word.
I can show 24 as a tally.
I can show 24 with straws.
Every place I can show numbers in so many ways.
I can show changing of counters.
Numbers every place. I can show numbers in so many ways.
24 have 2 tens and 4 ones.
And we can show 24 in a backward one.
Or we can show it in a different way.
I can show 24 now. Number line.
Numbers every place. I can show numbers in so many ways.
Numbers are all around us and we use numbers every day.
We need maths to help us in learning.
I am going shopping and need to read the price and count out the right money.
We need maths to help tell the time.
We need to tell the time so we arrive on places and don't miss anything important.
I'm going on holiday and I need to make sure I get to the airport on time.
We need maths to help on everything. I am buying furniture and I need to make sure it fits in my home.
I am going to Universal Studios and I need to measure how tall I am to go on the roller coasters.
When I am driving, I need to follow a map so I don't get lost. solve problems and learn new tricks. With math we can measure, we can calculate. It's the key to success, so let's appreciate. Math is not just numbers, it's shapes too. Like circles, squares, and triangles. Woohoo! Math is like a tool we can use to create, to build a better world. It's not a tool.
So next time you're learning maths at school, remember it's important and really cool. You can use it to explore and discover. Maths is amazing, like no other.
This is Albert Einstein. He loves math. He wrote famous chemical mathematics and his E equals mc squared, and his hair was so yummy. This is Isaac Newton. He was very good at geometry and also at Apple.
This is Alan Turing. He's the father of computer science.
This is Archimedes. He was alive over 2,000 years ago and is famous for its work on pie, not apple pie. This is Katherine Johnson. She works for NASA and was really great at math. Her calculations helped the rockets get to the moon and back safely. This is Governor Jana. She was an astronaut and an engineer and the first woman of Indian origin to go into space. This is Mary Jackson. She was really good at math and NASA's first African American female engineer.
This is Florence Nightingale. She was really good at using math to help sick people get better. She also made important discoveries on how to keep hospitals tidy.
Wow, math is amazing. I had an idea. Next we have some real life examples of people who have to use math every day.
Hi, I am Mr. Dyer. I need to be good at math so I can work out how much to pay the teachers for. Hi, I am a teacher. I need to be good at math so Mr. Dyer can pay me properly.
Hi, I'm Pips. I need to be good at math to work out how to keep my kids happy.
I am a chef and I am cooking. I need maths to measure all of the ingredients.
I am a professional athlete. I use math to help keep track of my stats and scores, like how I run in a game. As a farmer, I use math to measure my fields and to count how much seeds I'll need.
I'm Batman. I use maths to work out how far away the bad guys are.
Would you like to hear a joke? Why did the math book look so sad? Because it was full of pleasure.
If you find yourself stuck in the middle
shamrock is a symbol for St. Patrick's Day.
A shamrock is a clover that has 3 leaves, 4 if you're lucky. On St. Patrick's Day, everyone wears green. Ireland is a very green country. It was covered in grass, trees, plants. This is why we wear green to celebrate St. Patrick's Day.
Leprechauns are another symbol for St. Patrick's Day.
Irish legends says if you capture the leprechaun, they will have to take you to the pot of gold.
Many restaurants will make traditional Irish food on St. Patrick's Day.
Cabbage and shepherd's pie are Irish dish.
St. Patrick's Day is celebrated all over the world.
In Northern America, the fountain at the White House will turn green.
China, it's a bright green. The Colosseum in Rome will light up in green.
Niagara Falls lights up green.
The Eiffel Tower turns green.
Irish music and dance will be celebrated all over the world.
Go, my August. This means thank you in Irish.